Hi everybody, this is Gwenna, the Sunflower Flipper on YouTube, Facebook, and eBay. How are you doing today? It is a beautiful day here in Kansas, a little warmer than normal. I just wanted to get on and wish you a Merry Christmas, and I wanted to show you a video I made. I took my GoPro to the DAV and we tried it out. I found some items that I think I can flip for a profit. I'm going to show them to you and the estimated value I think I can get for them. And I'll jump back in at the end of the video and give you a little information on Gwenna the Sunflower Flipper. We are at the DAV in Salina to see what you can buy and flip for a profit. Oh, this is cool. So some kind of raised metal. It's only $2. Isn't that pretty? I think we'll put that in our cart. Whoops. The paint's wearing off. Well, this is cool. It's made in China. I usually get made in China, but this one's cool. Rich collection. I think we'll get that. No chips. Looks good. Look at the men's shirts. It's U.S. Polo. Stone River Western shirt. That's the size 2XLT. That we'll put in the cart. So CJ Banks, Find Your Fit. 1X in pink. I'll put that in our cart. Let's look at the coats. It's a cool coat, but it's got a stain on it. It's a really nice blazer. I looked at it last time I was in here. And it's a Dillard's. What size does it say? What size it is? 48 long. And it's a Ralph Lauren. I think it's corduroy. I think we'll put that in the cart. That's a Sperry topsider coat, made in Sri Lanka. I've never seen a Sperry topsider. It's a windbreaker. That's a Stearns rain jacket. Very nice condition. It's $5. It's a vintage jacket. I think we'll put that in our cart too. It's a nice vest. It doesn't have a brand, but it's really clean. There's a nice CJ Banks vest. I am in the pillows, and this pillow is like new. And it has an $89 price tag on it for $4. And there's another one, a set of two. I think I'll pick those up. This is something I just wanted you to see. Isn't that awesome? It's a real loom. They want $225 for it. If they didn't want that much money, I'd take it and put it in my house. Just too cool. I found 3 more things I wanted to show you. It's a little cowboy figurine. He's vintage. A stained glass bluebird. I found this cowboy. Handcrafted Abilene country art. Ursina Boyce sign. It does have a little repair right here, but if you don't know history, Abilene is the home of Dwight D. Eisenhower. I found this cane. It has a stopper on the bottom. It's lightweight, but look at that handle. That looks like a loose-side handle to me. It's only $2.75. I think that's worth our money. Put it in the cart. Just walking around the store and found this Zebco spinner, model 33, and it's made in the USA. Made in the USA. My husband has a channel all about fishing with Big Kev. Check it out on YouTube. I found this wall covering. It has flowers, pretty blue flowers. It's a new roll, and it's a C&A. And I looked them up and sold, and they sold for $60. $50, $55, and this one is $2.25. So there are some things that I found at the DAV, and I think I could flip for a profit. You can check them out in my store, Sunflower Flipper. I thought I'd tell you a little thing about Gwenna, the Sunflower Flipper. I started my store in around 2009 on $100, and I've made it come all the way to 2023. Some years I've made more money than other years, because some years I had medical issues. I had cancer and I was in a car wreck. But with eBay, the great thing is you're at home, working from home, so you can work when you can feel like it. If you're hurt or if you're sick, you can work whatever hours you want to work. There are so many people that get down on eBay, but I couldn't have made my living all of these years without the eBay platform. They put me out there for everyone in the whole United States, and if you do the world, in the whole world, to see your items for sale. So a shout out to eBay. Thank you. You've been there for me since 2009. And this isn't a promo video for eBay. It's just the truth. Everybody have a great day. Take a little time to enjoy the view. Life is good. Bye.